Hey, I wanted to record a short video to show you how to use on E38 facelift M73N the water pump for M73 or E31. This car right here had a heat exchanger. It has a hose with a quick connect like this one, but the pipe, the water pump doesn't have this connection. It's a normal for just a hose, and underneath the pump there is no hole for the heat exchanger. I will show you this pipe later that connects to it, but this is possible to do it. For the heat exchanger, you just drill from underneath it. When you put everything together, you will see where you need to drill. I don't know the diameter because I'm not doing that right here, because I removed the heat exchanger was sitting right somewhere around there underneath the alternator, because as you can see I switched to the, you can see it here, this is the hot climate version, or I believe the pre-facelift gearbox cooler, because I'm running 8 HP in this car. And yes, I didn't need the heat exchanger, so I just deleted it. So I just need to do this hose, and I figured out how to make it work with the old parts. So I will show you now. Here you can see the brand new pipe from BMW with the quick connect fitting on it. And here you can see already here you can see the brand new Bear Conti BMW part with the quick connect and the connection for the water-cooled alternator. And here you can see the old one that I already took apart to make sure that everything works. And this is the connection for the alternator, and this is for the heat exchanger. So on the car I bought hot climate version, so I don't have the connection to heat exchanger, but it's also doable with the one with the heat exchanger. And how to do that? Those clips here, you can cut them very easily with a Dremel like this one. Just be careful to not damage any plastics. I do it, as you can see here, at quite an angle, so the blade only touches the metal and doesn't damage the, like here I damaged it a bit, but on the other one I have, right here, I don't have any damage. Like this one right here, it's just a slight one, but it doesn't go very far, so it should be fine. I don't see any problems with this. So yeah, so you just Dremel this bit off, and you can pop the hose with the quick connect to the water pump. And then here we have, this is a brand new one, so I'm not going to destroy it. I already destroyed this one. This is the lower radiator hose, which goes from a thermostat and has the fitting for the temperature sensor, and it connects to the radiator. So this one, if you can see right here, it's quite similar, like it's really close to what's needed. So what I've done is I also undid this clip right here, the same with the Dremel. I shortened this pipe. I just measured it in the car. I can provide you with the dimensions if you need. And yeah, I just cut it right here. The small issue is this pipe is like slightly smaller, because BMW, like as you can see, maybe not on this one, but on this one you can see that it goes a bit wider in the end. So you have to use some heat and some lubricant to get it on. And yeah, and it works. So yeah, I'm going to now modify my brand new one, because I don't like the plastics on this one, and I don't have the heat exchangers. So I need to change this hose anyway. So this was just experimental piece, but it works and it fits on the car, and I will update you when it's all on the car, and I will actually record me doing that right now. And here is the product. So yeah, that was quite easy. The bigger pain is drilling the hole for the heat exchanger, but if you're not running it, then this is pretty easy to do. If you're doing any conversion, like manual conversion on it or 8 HP, and you just switch to external radiator, then it's fine. But yeah, I will show you now the heat exchanger. So this right here is the heat exchanger. You can see this pipe right here. It goes next to the alternator, around it, I believe. And then this connects to the water pump. So you just need to mark where this goes and drill the correct hole for that. If you need any of this done, just let me know, I'm happy to help. Like those hoses I can easily make for you if you need. But yeah, you just need to buy a lower radiator hose and just modify it. Cut this one off, trim it around this bend here, right here, and yeah, and it just fits. So yeah, I'm going to put it on the car now and show you how this works. And right here is the hose connected to the water pump. It goes right there into the alternator, and right here it would connect to the radiator. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope I can help someone with their problem, because I had massive problems finding the water pump for my engine, and I already threw the old one into trash because I thought that this one was fine, but actually it's not the same part, and you need to do some modifications. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I can help somebody with this.